Hi, welcome to VELA. I'm over here in Denmark, in Aalborg, to present to you the VELA children's chair. When we look at it, and this is why children and parents love this chair, is that it just looks like an ordinary office chair without compromising safety and promoting independence. If I present the chair from the base, working up, I'll run through all the benefits. So, the base, it's a 4-star base. This is giving the user stability. It's got a very low centre of gravity, so when we use the chair at a higher level, such as a dining table or a science bench, then we have that support and stability. The wheels set in the 4 corners are 100mm casters. When I remove the brake, this facilitates being able to move the chair in small spaces, up to a dining table, or in and around the home environment. Now, we want to promote independence for this user. We have a brake. This can be set left or indeed on the right-hand side. And for those smaller, tighter areas, we can angle adjust this, or indeed we can remove it altogether, and we can use our patented braking system to lock the chair, and this has made it safe for the user. Deactivate the brake, simply lift that up with your toes. But on this occasion, we'll have the brake set on the right-hand side. To lock the chair, the user pulls it forward. Standard, we have a brake on 2 wheels. Should it be required, we may have slightly uneven floors, or depending on how the user gets in and out of the chair, we can have a braking system to lock all 4 wheels. If we can't reach this brake at all, we can have extensions, we can have T-bars, or indeed we can have a button for an electric braking system. It all depends on the user's requirements. Now, the seats are designed with lots of support here through the ischial tuberosities, the sitting bones, and we work very closely on the hip alignment. So we can support that hip support with our 4-point belt. This is fully adjustable, simple press lock, and is adjustable through the depth on our unique rails that run underneath the chair. Further support we can have, which again just drop onto our unique railing system underneath, our thigh and hip guides, various sizes available, and all available through the VELA website. Now, children invariably grow, so we want to design a chair that will last as long as possible for that user, so we can build in growth within the seat. Lift the back lever and adjust that back in. I've now created around about 10 centimetres of growth for that user. As the child grows, brake on, lift the back lever, open up, use this little bracket at the back, and we can do that to within millimetres, depending on how quickly the child grows. Now, when we grow out of that seat, we don't want to buy another chair. You simply order up the next seat size, which goes on to the existing frame. And the same can be said for the backs. Various back sizes available, fully adjustable, as you've seen here, but also height adjustable. So again, we're building in that growth for the user. Now, depending on the user, we may require extra support through the trunk. This can be achieved with different designs in back, or by the use of our very simple press and open swing away laterals. Now, these can be fitted to the back of the chair, and incidentally, all of our chairs are pre-drilled to be able to retrofit any of these accessories, meaning that the chair can develop with the user as it's required. You'll find in here holes for the head support. Now, we do various head supports, and my suggestion is please visit the VELA website to ensure that you choose the correct one. The foot plate fully height adjustable. And again, I'm just emphasising the growth that we're building in the chair. And to get in and out, simply flicks up. Now, when we're in the school environment or going through to home, we have the ability to raise the chair depending on the surface that we're dining at or indeed working at, or we're just socialising. And again, it's all for the user to be able to do this themselves. Simple 2 little buttons underneath the right arm. It can be left-handed, should it be required. And I'll just show you now the range that we can achieve. So we can go from the smaller dining area through the classroom for maths and English, and then through to science bench. And the chair will allow that user to have inclusion within those classrooms. And something that we have had feedback is that the user can actually have an eye-to-eye conversation rather than being looked down upon. This is really great in the home environment where we may be doing life skills, cooking and baking. So, to manoeuvre the chair, whether it be a parent, a carer, or indeed the user themselves, we can, and like I mentioned earlier, retrofit our strolling bar. Simply goes into the existing frame and is fold down to make it nice and small. Now, depending on the user and where we're going to be taking that child, it could be that we remove some of the height adjustment and the carer or the parent can take control of that, and we can use our handheld control to give assistance and guidance for that user. So thank you for your time. That was a very quick overview of the VELA Children's Chair. If you need any more information, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.